Today we'll be learning about vision and how the eyes work.
Okay, Einstein.
Our eyes receive light energy and transduce, or transform, it into a message that our brain can interpret. This is how we see things.
How does light energy work?
If you paid attention in physics, you would know. Anyway, humans can only see a thin slice of the electromagnetic spectrum. Their color, or hue, is determined by their wavelength, which is the distance from the peak of one wave to the next. We determine how bright it is by the intensity of it, and this is just the amount of energy in the waves. Intensity is determined by amplitude, or the height of each wave.
I'm going to pretend that I understood that. How does it relate to vision?
You need to know how the eye works. Light enters through the pupil, which is the small and adjustable hole in your eye that is surrounded by the iris. The iris is a colored muscle that adjusts light intake in response to the intensity of the light. Behind the pupil is the lens which focuses incoming light's rays into an image that is projected onto the retina. The retina is a multi-layered tissue on the eyeball's inner surface. The lens focuses the rays by changing how it is curved by accommodation.
That's all it takes to see?
No. On the retina there are many cells that enable humans to see. These cells are the rods and the cones. The rods are the most numerous receptor in your eye. They are located on the peripheral parts of your retina and enable you to see in dim light. They have low color and detail sensitivity.
So what do cones do?
Cones are located in the center of the retina. While they are not as sensitive to dim light as the rods, they are much more sensitive to colors and details, and they enable color vision.
So what does the brain do with vision?
The brain takes the messages sent from the optic nerve and sends it to the occipital lobe,